In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connection and Sharing right away. Then select Print. Click on Default Print Service or any other service you wish to use, and when you're ready, make sure this switcher is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect, make sure Default Print Service is on and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Add Printer. Click on Add Printer by IP address, input it here, and tap on Add. You can also tap on this switcher next to Wi-Fi direct pairing. Hit Allow in the pop-up. And if your printer is supporting this feature, hit Find Wi-Fi direct printers and wait for your smartphone to find it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!